Har du volym eller? Och nu hör man själv också. Det.
Drunken hiccups! Drunken hiccups! Drunken hiccups! Drunken hiccups! Too much wine and whiskey tonight. I can't sleep when I cut off the light. What is this? Something can't be right. I got a bad rebellion, stomach to fly. Drunken hiccup! Drunken hiccup, keep me up. Drunken hiccup! I can't stop! Drunken hiccup! Drunken hiccup, keep me up! Drunken hiccup! Drunken hiccup! My body's swaying and I shake in bed. What the fuck am I soon to be dead? The hiccups in my fucking head. Feels like soon I'll puke blood red. Drunken hiccups! Drunken hiccups, keep me up! Drunken hiccups! I can't stop! Drunken hiccups! Drunken hiccups, give me up! Drunken hiccups! Drunken hiccups! I'm tearing it from inside. I hope that I'm so intolerant that I did to shook up my hiccups. The next one was having way. Drunken hiccup! Drunken hiccup, give me up! Drunken hiccup! I can't stop! Drunken hiccup! Drunken hiccup, get me up! Drunken hiccup! You can't stop! Drunken hiccup! Drunken hiccup!